fauna animals, flora, plants. That's why in the beginning I said trachea is present in fresh water. Trachea cannot survive in marine water because of adaptation. Together, student? Therefore, by defining now, by definition, a biome is a large geographical area characterized by its own climate, and the organism adapted to survive in that climate. Therefore, each biome will have organisms adapted. Together, my student, before we continue, we can have now a question which will guide us. Together, student? Because after here, we are going to see the distribution of biomes. We are going to classify biomes. Therefore, let us now have a question which will guide us in explaining all this. Our question reads as, describe each of the following biomes. A, tundra. B, taiga. C, savanna. D, desert. And E, tropical rainforest. These are not only biomes, these are some. Therefore, we'll discuss with you some of the biomes. Together, students? Now, before we start responding to this question, we have to know the classification of biomes. How are biomes classified? Biomes, my student, we can have aquatic biome. And also, we have terrestrial biome. Together, students? Therefore, from our question, these are terrestrial biome. Therefore, let us now start discussing terrestrial biome. Together, students? Now, terrestrial biome. Students, terrestrial biome. Biomes are found on land. Therefore, this one are found on land. Now, in our question, my student started by defining what is a biome. After there, start with the A now, tundra. B, taiga. C, savanna. Desert and tropical rainy forest. Therefore here I will discuss with you all this. And I would like to use a table when discussing with you. Therefore, let me construct a table here, my students. Biome, geographical distribution, geographical distribution, let's say here climate, let's say a dominant flora, the plants which are there, dominating plants, and let's say here dominant fauna, the animals which are present in a specific biome. Together, student. I've said biome is a large geographical area. Therefore, it must have a geographical location. I've said biome has its own climate. Then, organisms which are plants and animals adapted to survive in that climate. Together, my student? Hope we are together. Now, let me start with tundra biome. Tundra biome. Tundra biome. Tundra biome, my student, this is a biome which is very cold. Together? Hope you are following, my student. Therefore, about the location of this biome extends 60, in case of latitude, 60 degrees north. This is what, my student? Latitude. This biome, my student, covers the northern hemisphere. Of North America, Europe, and Asia. As you can see in the map here, this is the tundra, my students. This one here is to the northern hemisphere. This is the tundra. This one is tundra. You can see here, tundra. This is the tundra, my student. Therefore, a tundra biome extends in the latitude 60 north and it covers northern hemisphere of North America, as you have seen in the map, Europe, and Asia. Together, student. That is about the geographical location of tundra biome. My student, the biome of tundra for the case of climate now. It is very cold. Therefore, it has a cold winter. Together, student? The rainfall in this biome is less than 250 millimeters per year. That is the rainfall. Therefore, this biome is least productive. It is least productive. it has a very short growing season. Together, student? This biome is called. Can I ask my student one question? Can human beings survive in tundra biome? Try to think. Now, student, organisms which are capable of surviving in tundra biome are the one which tolerate cold condition. Therefore, the plants which are there, about the dominant flora, grasses are there, sedges are also present, lichen. This is a symbiotic association between fungi and algae. Together, student? Dwarf wood plants also are there. Such as beeches and willows. They are present there. Together, student? Therefore, these are dominant plants which are present in a tundra biome. Now, the animals which are present, take an example, foxes are there, Arctic foxes. Animals which are capable of surviving this condition, they must have a specific adaptation to cold areas. You know the adaptation of foxes, Arctic fox, you are taught. Adaptation of mammals in arid condition. You are taught in Form 5, Tropical Force Regulation. Therefore, my student, that is about tundra. What have I said about tundra? I have said tundra is the coldest biome. Tundra extends 60 north, that is the latitude, and it covers parts of North America, Europe, and Asia, but in the northern hemisphere. Together, students? Have said about the plants which are found there are like grasses, sedges, lichens are there, dwarf wood plants like willows and beeches. Have spoken about also animals which are present like foxes. These foxes have a big in size to decrease the surface area for heat loss. Together, student? Therefore, this biome is least productive. It has very short growing season. Together, student? Is least productive. Okay, now students, let us see another biome. Another biome is called taiga. We also call coniferous forest biome. Or we can call boreal biome. Together, student? Why is it called coniferous forest biome? Because the dominant plant belongs to the division Coniferophyta. I'm sure you remember from the topic of classification you are taught. Therefore, coniferous forest biome. This is located south of the tundra. As you can see from the map here, this color indicates taiga biome. This is the tundra, my student. South of the tundra is a taiga. This one is a taiga here. This one is a taiga, my student. This one is a taiga. Therefore, it is located south of the tundra biome. Hope you are following, my student. Therefore, after tundra biome, what follows is the taiga in the south. My students. Now, the climate of this. This one here, it is also called winter. The winter is cold, but not severe compared to tundra. Compared to tundra. Hope you are following, my student. The rainfall here is about 650 millimeters per year. But in tundra, I said is less than 250. Hope you are following, my student. I said in tundra is cold, but also in taiga is cold, but not cold like tundra biome. Hope you are following, my student. Tundra biome, the temperature may reach -34 to 12 Celsius. -34, tundra biome. But here, cold winter, but less severe compared to tundra. Hope you are following, my student. Now, dominant flora are the name coniferous forest biome. Therefore, here they are evergreen plants with needle-like leaves. Therefore, you will find the pine plants here. You will find the firs, spruce, they are here. Members of the division Coniferophyta. Are we together? Now, dominant fauna, there are many animals. Take an example, birds are also found there, etc. You can add if you study more. My student, let us make a difference now between taiga biome and tundra biome. Taiga biome is located south of the tundra biome. Taiga biome has a cold winter, but not cold as tundra biome. Together, student? The rainfall of taiga biome is about 650, but tundra biome is less than 250 millimeters per year. Hope you are following, my student. That is. Now, let us continue discussing another biome. Hope you are following, my student. Another biome, my student, is savanna. Savanna biome. My student, do you know large part of Africa is savanna? Hope you know. Savanna has scattered trees and grasses. Savanna is located in the latitude which is between 5 degrees and 15 degrees north and south of the equator. Together, students? Therefore, it covers a large part of Africa, as I said. The latitude is between 5 and 15 degrees north and south of the equator. That is the savanna. My student, savanna is characterized by having seasonal rainfall, which really in savanna you can know these months are for rainfall, these months are for dry, no rainfall. The temperature of savanna, my student, ranges between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. And the rainfall of savanna ranges from 1,000 to 1,500 millimeters per year. That is savanna. Therefore, the dominant flora of savanna, this one here, is characterized by having scattered trees and grasses. Scattered trees and grasses. That is savanna. As you can see in the map here, this is savanna, my student. This one here is savanna. A large part of Africa is savanna. You can see here. You can see here. Also some portions here. So this is savanna, my student. Together, hope you're following, my student. Now, students, the dominant fauna which are present in savanna. In savanna, you will get many organisms. For example, lions are there in savanna. Elephants are present, grizzlies are present, antelopes are present, etc. Many organisms are present in savanna. My student, what have I said about savanna? Savanna is characterized by trees which are scattered and grasses. Savanna has seasonal rainfall. The rainfall may range from 1,000 to 1,500 millimeters per year. The temperature of savanna ranges between 20 Celsius and 30 Celsius. I'm sure now you can see the differences between a taiga and a savanna. You can see the differences between tundra and the savanna. Hope you are following, my students. That is savanna. Now, let us see another biome. Another biome, my student, is called tropical rainforest. Biome. A tropical rainforest biome is located in the equator. Therefore, here in the equator. Together, my student. Humid tropics of Africa, you can see tropical rainforest. For example, my student, you can see here from the map. A tropical rainforest, this one here, this part of Africa here. You can see tropical rainforest. You can see tropical rainforest. Together, my student, this is a tropical rainforest located in the equator. Together, that is about the location. The climate of tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest is characterized by having high precipitation. The rainfall here can occur at any time. Together, the temperature is high also, my students. Therefore, let us begin with the temperature. Temperature of this biome ranges between 20 Celsius and 34 Celsius. The rainfall, my student, the amount of precipitation may exceed 2,000 millimeters per year. Hope you are following, my student. That is the temperature. If you go back to the definition of biome, we said it's a large geographical area characterized by its own climate. You can see the temperature, you can see the rainfall, but also having dominant flora and dominant fauna. My student, here many tree species are present. Many different species of plants are present. You can find mosses are present, lichen are present. You can find funny plant are present. Different species of plants are present. These are just some. Now, dominant fauna. Here, grizzlies are present. Antelopes are present. Together, students, lions are present, and other animals you can add. Many animals are present. Now, my student, hope you can differentiate between tropical rainforest and the savanna. Savanna has the trees which are scattered and the grasses. But this one has many tree species. The location, this is located in the equator, but savanna is located 5 degrees and 15 degrees north and south of the equator. Hope you are following, my student. But I can ask you here, the soil of tropical rainforest is poor. Why is it poor? The soil, my student, is poor due to excessive leaching, where organic matter, the nutrients are washed down due to excessive rainfall. Excessive rainfall. Therefore, when the plants shed their leaves, the leaves decompose, form the organic matter, but these nutrients which are available are washed down due to much rainfall. Together, students, therefore the soil of where is nutrient poor. My students, let's see another biome. Another biome, my student, is called desert. Desert biome. Desert biome. This is a rocky or sandy biome. Desert biome is located in different parts of the world. You know, in Form 2 history you are taught Sahara Desert in Africa, which covers countries like Libya, Egypt, etc. You are taught Kalahari Desert, and so on. Therefore, there are many deserts in the world. Atacama Desert, I remember you are taught. Therefore, desert, my student, is located in different parts of the world. For example, you can see, this is the desert in the north parts of Africa. You can see desert. You can see desert, my student. This is desert. Together, my student? Hope we are together. Desert is very cold at night. Therefore, cold at night, but very hot during day. My student, the temperature of desert may reach 41 Celsius, but also may decrease at night to -4 Celsius, depending on the kind of desert. Therefore, we can have two kinds of desert, hot desert and a cold desert. Hope you are following, my students. The rainfall here of desert is less than 250 millimeters per year. Now, student, is very hot during day, cold at night, and the rainfall is less than this. Therefore, the plants capable of surviving here must be adapted to survive in a hot region where there is a shortage of water. Therefore, plants like cactus are present. Together.
Na mtazamaji wa TBC1, tukuombe radhi kwa kukatisha kipindi kilichokuwa hewani, lakini kwa sasa moja kwa moja ni kupeleke visiwani Zanzibar, ambapo baadhi ya wanachama wa Chama cha Mapinduzi CCM wamejitokeza kwa ajili ya kuchukua fomu za kugombea awamu ya 8 ya urais wa Zanzibar. Na hivi punde ametoka kuchukua fomu Ali Abedi Karume, ambaye anaongea na waandishi wa habari. Ni kupeleke Zanzibar kwanza.
Kwanza kabisa nataka niwashukuru ni nyote kwa kuacha shughuli zenu huko kuja hapa kuangalia shughuli hii muhimu ambayo tumeifanya hivi leo. Na hii kazi mnayoifanya ni kazi nzuri, na wapeni pongezi, kwa sababu wananchi wa nchi hii wana haki ya kujua kunapita nini katika nchi yao. Leo tumemsikia mzee Karume alikuwa anasema kwamba tarehe 12 Januari mwaka 1964 nomo bwana. Ni kweli kabisa. Hapa Zanzibar hakuna bwana. Bwana yuko huko nchi za nje huko, anasubiri aende mbele ya haki, na sisi tunamwombea kwa kuwa ni Muislamu mwenzetu aishi maisha marefu, hatuone sisi wa Zanzibar tunaendelea vizuri na shughuli zetu. na bwana alikuwepo hapa Zanzibar ni nyinyi wananchi wa Zanzibar, na ndio maana mwaka huu itabidi sisi ambao tunawania nafasi mbalimbali katika kuongoza nchi yetu tutakuja mbele yenu kufika tarehe 25 Jumapili mwaka huu mwezi wa 10 Oktoba mwaka 2020 tutakuja mbele yenu kuja kuomba ridhaa, lakini kwanza